Hi, my name is Keith Douglas from Fresh Group Products. This is a short video to show you how to empty the Trafalgar PC50 hand pull paddock cleaner. So first things first, we remove the pickup tool from its holster position and just lie it to the side. And then when we come round, to steady the machine, I use my left foot so it doesn't move, and then just for the sake of the video, I'm going to show you to release that catch, and we have one on each side, and you lift and lower that to the floor. If the camera wants to come in, you can see how the bin is mounted. So you simply lift that up, and now if the camera is able to get a shot, I've now got the bin in my hand, and it's quite simply as easy as that to empty. So the reverse, so we line up the lugs, we pop the bin in, and then to put it back on, we position it. Ideally we want to position it squarely like that, that makes life easier. And we put the two catches, I just pulled that out of the way for the benefit of the camera. And then these are adjustable, by the way, if they're a bit loose or wear a bit loose, so you can adjust them there as well. So that's how to empty and put the top back on. We'll just put the holster back in its position. That's how to empty and put back together, ready to poo pick again, the Trafalgar PC50 hand pull paddock cleaner. Thanks for watching. Hope you found that video informative. Please subscribe to our channel or share with any friends or colleagues, and we will send future videos out via our channel, and we hope you enjoy them. Thank you.